Hello, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to export from Affinity so you can get the right file type and quality for your project. By the way, you can follow this. So this is basically the easiest way to export a file in Affinity Designer. So what you will do is open your design in Affinity Designer, and then you will click on Archive in the menu bar, select option Export, choose the file format that you want to export, and fill in the necessary information in the export window, and finally click on export. But if you would want a more detailed explanation and method for for exporting your file, then go ahead and listen to what I say and have your Affinity ready so that you will be able to do the steps. So first, you will have to confirm your canvas size and final layers, and then next you will go to the file feature and then click export, and after that you will choose the format tab, whether it's PNG, JPEG, SVG, and PDF. For web use, you will have to choose PNG or JPEG. For vector, choose SVG, and for print, choose PDF and set DPI to 300. Then, you will set export options. For PNG, you will check area, transparent if you need transparency. For JPEG, you will set quality slider. And finally, click export and choose destination folder and open exported file to verify colors and resolution. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.